How to fix CapCut app not working. So one of the reasons why this is happening is because there's a bit too much space that the app itself is being used. So a way to solve or fix CapCut is to clear its cache. You can do this by going to the bottom right corner button here that says Me and go to the settings. Once you're here, you can see the clear cache option. Now all you have to do next is press confirm. Now just to play it safe, you can go to your mobile settings and search for apps. You can find this by scrolling down or just searching for it directly. Now once we're in our apps, just press on the manage apps option and find CapCut. So once you're here, you can see the clear data button. If you're in iOS, it should say offload, but since we're here, all we have to do now is clear our cache. Be careful not to press clear all data, as it may get rid of the edits you've done. So all we need to do here is press clear cache. So I've already done that, and once you do so, CapCut should now be lighter than before and may start working again. Now if this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. That's all. Thank you.